Hey guys, if BlueStacks is running slow or lagging on your PC, this guide will help you fix it step by step. In this full 2026 tutorial, I'll show you the best settings and quick optimizations to improve performance and make games run smoother. First, restart your computer and reopen BlueStacks. Yeah, sometimes background apps or temporary memory usage can slow everything down. Next, open BlueStacks settings and go to the performance section. Increase the CPU cores and memory allocation if your PC supports it. Giving BlueStacks more resources usually improves speed right away. Now enable high FPS mode and set the frame rate higher for smoother gameplay. You can also turn on VSync if your games support it. One of the biggest performance boosts comes from enabling virtualization in your computer's BIOS settings. So, if virtualization is disabled, BlueStacks may feel very slow or unstable. And for lower-end PCs, try reducing graphics settings inside the game itself. Lower resolution, shadows, or effects can help improve FPS and reduce stuttering. You can also improve performance by changing Windows power settings to high performance mode. Yeah, this helps your PC prioritize speed over power saving. And that's basically how to fix BlueStacks lag in 2026. After applying these settings, your games and apps should run much smoother on PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, How to SB.